Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over 3 worked examples to show you how to do problems involving polarisation using filters. Now if you haven't already done so, check out my previous video covering the theory in this topic, and that way you can apply what you learned in that video to this one. So let's get going. Question 1 says to explain using a diagram how unpolarised light can be blocked using a polarizer and analyzer together. Well, firstly we could say that a polarizer lets light pass through it in only one plane. If an analyzer is placed in front of a polarizer and rotated through 90 degrees relative to the polarised light, the light will be completely blocked. And our diagram would look something like this, which we saw in the notes. So you've got your unpolarised light on the left with your electric field oscillations in every plane. You've then got the first polarizer with the plane of polarisation being vertical here, and that means the polarised light is also in the vertical plane. And then if you take the second polarizer, also called the analyzer here, and if you rotate it through 90 degrees to the plane of the polarised light, then you'll observe the light being completely blocked at this point. Question 2 says explain how wearing polarising sunglasses rather than non-polarising sunglasses can reduce glare. Well, we can simply say that polarising sunglasses act as an analyzer to block some of the glare. Lastly, question 3 says not all waves can be plane polarised. Give one example of a wave which cannot be polarised and explain why this is the case. Well, we can say that sound waves cannot be polarised as they are longitudinal waves. Only transverse waves can be polarised. That's all for this video folks, I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.